Welcome to the brand new video. We are so excited to bring you today's video featuring the latest advancement in technology, incredible products and innovative home gadgets. Whether you are looking to make your home more efficient or just need a little help organizing, today's video has got you covered. These products are designed to save your time, reduce efforts, and make everyday tasks much easier. Stick with us until the end to discover all the amazing gadgets we have for you and learn exactly how to use them. If this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any update. And please don't forget to like the video. It helps us to reach more viewers and motivates us to keep bringing you great content. Are you ready to optimize your home organization? If so, you are in the right place. Today we are sharing some smart, simple and effective tips to help you organize and tidy up your space. We will be showing you innovative ways to organize everything from your clothes and shoes to kitchen essentials. There are space-saving hangers, creative shoe storage solutions, and multifunctional kitchen organizer that make you use of every inch of your home, even in the smallest space. These products will transform your home, making it not just cleaner but also more stylish and functional. Let's talk about saving time in the kitchen. With the right tool, meal preparation and cooking become a breeze. We have rounded up a selection of kitchen gadgets such as easy to use potato peeler, versatile cutting board, steam cooking pot, and grilled accessories that make cooking fun and efficient. These tools are perfect for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen routine and save time on everyday tasks. All the products featured today are available from multiple online and offline retailers. You can find them on websites like Amazon, AliExpress, Shopee, or even in the store. Many of these stores offer international shipping, so no matter where you are, you can easily get your hands on them. Just keep in mind that shipping cost may vary based on your location. So make sure to check those before placing an order. We have made sure to include all the relevant detail to help you find these amazing products with ease. We hope this video helped you discover some fantastic new tools to make your home more organized and efficient. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated on all the latest home gadgets and innovative products we have to share. Our mission is to provide you with the best tool to help organize and simplify your life. And we are always bringing you fresh content. In today's video, we are giving you an overview of the household tools that every home needs. From kitchen gadgets to organizational tools for every room. These are the kind of products that will make your daily chores more manageable and help you to stay on the top of your home organization game. Available worldwide. These tools are essential for everyone who wants to make their home more efficient, organized, and pleasant to live in. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family to let them know about these amazing products that can change the way they organized their home. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your support. If you found these videos helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Share this video with your loved ones so they can benefit from these fantastic gadgets too. This is not a sponsored video, just a showcase of practical tools that make life easier and more enjoyable. Whether it's new gadgets, home organization products, or clever cleaning tools, we are here to help you find the best product to make your life simpler. Stay tuned for more amazing content. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being a part of our wonderful community.